Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Banana bread guide, history, classic recipe, and creative variations. Warm banana bread out of the oven brings back memories for a lot of people. This simple treat has been around for generations, offering comfort with its sweet aroma and soft crumb. There's something timeless about turning over ripe bananas into a golden loaf that never feels outdated. Banana bread's popularity hasn't faded. It's a favorite for busy mornings, relaxed weekends, and every snack in between. In this guide, you'll find its rich history, a step-by-step classic recipe, and some creative twists to try at home. Get ready to discover new ways to enjoy an old favorite. The origins and popularity of banana bread. Banana bread feels like a classic, but its story is surprisingly new compared to other baked goods. Its path from pantry experiment to must-have treat shows how food changes with the times. Let's look at where banana bread began and why it's still a kitchen star. How banana bread began. Banana bread first started appearing in American cookbooks in the 1930s. The timing wasn't random. The Great Depression was in full swing, and people needed to use every bit of food. Tossing overripe bananas wasn't an option, so home bakers found ways to save them. There was another reason, too. Baking powder and baking soda became common household staples right around this time. These new ingredients made it easier for people to bake lighter, tender loaves without yeast. The banana bread recipe gave families a simple way to bake at home with what they had. Why banana bread became a staple. Banana bread fits right in with the idea of comfort food. It's easy, budget-friendly, and forgiving. No need for perfect technique or fancy skills. If your bananas look too far gone for snacking, they're perfect for bread. A few big reasons explain the rise of banana bread. Frugal roots. People needed recipes to stretch groceries and reduce waste. Shelf-stable baking basics. Bananas pair well with pantry items like flour, sugar, and eggs. Adaptable flavor. Add nuts, chocolate, or spices to make it your own. Feels homemade. Banana bread is simple to bake, but the result feels special. Popular through the years. Each generation adds its own spin. The trend surged again during the pandemic, as more people baked at home. Banana bread isn't just a way to use old fruit. It's a loaf that matches the need for comfort and creativity. Its popularity shows how the best recipes often come from make-do moments in the kitchen. Essential ingredients and their roles. Getting banana bread just right comes down to using the right ingredients and knowing what each one does for your loaf. Each part matters. Bananas bring sweetness and moisture, flour gives structure, and the extras add personality. In this section, you'll learn how to choose the best bananas, select or swap flours, pick leaveners and sweeteners, and make your banana bread shine with delicious add-ins. Choosing and ripening bananas. The secret to rich, flavorful banana bread is using bananas that are past their prime for eating but perfect for baking. You want bananas with skins that are heavily spotted or turning black. The darker and softer they are, the sweeter and more banana-forward your bread will taste. Extra ripeness breaks down the starch into sugar, so you get a deeper flavor and moist crumb. Pressed for time and your bananas are still too yellow? Try one of these quick ripening tricks. Oven method. Place unpeeled bananas on a baking sheet and bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, for 15 to 20 minutes. Let them cool before peeling. Paper bag. Store bananas in a paper bag with an apple or ripe banana. Natural gases speed up the ripening in about a day. Green bananas won't give you the flavor or moisture you want, so it's worth waiting or using a ripening trick. Flour, leaveners and sweeteners. Banana bread is flexible when it comes to the basics, but each swap changes the texture or taste. Flour options. All-purpose flour delivers classic, tender banana bread. Whole wheat flour brings a nutty taste and boosts fiber. It can make the loaf denser, so you might want to use half whole wheat and half all-purpose for balance. Gluten-free blends are available for those avoiding gluten. Look for ones made for baking for the best results. Leavening agents. Baking soda is the classic choice. It reacts with banana acidity to help the loaf rise, giving a soft, light crumb. Baking powder adds extra lift if your recipe is heavy with add-ins or whole wheat flour. Some recipes use both for best texture. Sweeteners. White sugar keeps banana bread light and classic. Brown sugar adds a hint of molasses and helps the loaf stay moist. Honey or maple syrup can be swapped in for a richer, deeper sweetness. Cut back on other liquids slightly if using liquid sweeteners. For dietary swaps, try coconut sugar for a lower glycemic option or monk fruit sweetener for fewer carbs. Just remember, each sweetener brings its own flavor, so pick one that matches your taste. Add-ins. Nuts, chocolate, and beyond. Banana bread is open to almost any little flavor boost you like. Some add-ins are expected, while others can be surprising. Classic choices. Walnuts or pecans. Crunchy, toasty, and a bit bitter to balance the sweetness. Chocolate chips. Bring pockets of gooey richness and kiddup appeal. Creative twists. Dried fruit, like cranberries, cherries, or raisins, offers chew and a tangy bite. Shredded coconut brings subtle sweetness and texture. Peanut butter chips or swirls for a salty sweet sandwich flavor. Spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, to warm things up. Add-ins change not only the flavor but also the texture. Nuts and chocolate make slices more interesting to eat, while fruits and coconut add extra moisture or chew. Too many mix-ins can weigh batter down, so 3/4 to 1 cup total add-ins is usually just right. Each ingredient plays a part in shaping banana bread's final flavor, texture, and personality. Try different combos to see how your loaf changes. It's a simple way to make a classic recipe feel brand new. Foolproof step-by-step banana bread recipe. Ready to make a loaf that's moist, flavorful, and never dry or dense. You don't need special equipment or chef-level skills. Just a few smart steps and some ripe bananas. Following best practices during preparation and baking can turn a simple banana bread recipe into something you'll want to bake again and again. Preparation and mixing tips. Great banana bread begins before your oven is even on. Perfecting the batter and prepping your loaf pan sets you up for success. Mash bananas well. Use a fork or potato masher and really break them down. You want a mixture that's mostly smooth with just a few small lumps left. This helps distribute banana flavor and moisture all through the bread. Mix wet and dry separately. Whisk together your dry ingredients in one bowl and mix wet in another. This reduces the chance of lumps and helps everything combine evenly. Don't overmix. When you combine wet and dry, stir just until you stop seeing flour streaks. Overmixing develops gluten, which can make your loaf tough instead of tender. If you're adding extras, like nuts or chocolate chips, fold them in gently right at the end. Prep your pan the right way. Grease your loaf pan with butter or non-stick spray. For extra insurance, line the bottom with parchment paper and let it hang over the sides for easy lift out. This keeps the loaf from sticking and gives you clean edges. Check your oven temp. An oven thermometer helps make sure you're really baking at the right temperature. Banana bread loves a steady 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Taking a few extra minutes here prevents common banana bread mistakes, like a sunken middle or edges that bake too fast. That's it for part 1. We hope you're inspired to try making classic banana bread yourself. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll get creative with fun variations and twists on this timeless recipe. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.